everybody. Welcome to Peppers in Kentucky Living. Jeremy. Got another pepper here from Jimmy Pickles. It is a let me show you. 7-pot lava. Y'all can check that pepper out. Now a 7-pot pepper is a pod that can heat up 7 pots of chili. So this is going to be a hot pot. And just because it's little doesn't mean it's going to burn. So because the little ones, they burn. Well, they do burn more than like bigger pots. So, but cannot wait to eat this. Hopefully my belly will allow it. Oh my gosh. Instant. Earthy. Gosh, it smells hot. Let me show y'all this. Check out the placenta right here. That is pretty much full placenta. And there's a little bit right there. Thin walled, but gosh. It smells hot and it smells floral. Okay. From Jimmy Pickles. This is his 7-pot lava. Peppers in Kentucky Living. Oh. There's the hiccups. It's hot pepper. Tongue is woo. Wow. That's what you get. You haven't eaten peppers in a few days. I was doing good until stop for a little bit. Wow. I mean, that's the third hottest one I've had right here. I have two more in here that are probably hotter. Well, two that is hotter than that. Wow. Still hiccup. But tongue burn, back of the throat, nose ran a little bit, eyes water. For a non-chili head, I'm telling y'all what, that'd be a 10. For someone eating hot stuff, it'd be about an 8. For me, it's about a probably a 6. Oh wow, it was earthy, a little fruity, and then floral at the end. Tongue burns kind of right now. Not so much in the back of the throat now. It's all the tongue. Wow. Hot pepper. But if you want to grill the 7-pot lava, go to the link in the description. JP pepper seeds and get some isolated seeds. Or if y'all really want to grow them, that's an early. It's about the same, about still a 6. Wow, now it's tongue burn, like right here. And now it's back of the throat, but the spit in my mouth is making the heat, making it more heat in my mouth. Wow. Well, I hope y'all have a great rest of your night. Thank y'all for watching. Hasn't peaked yet. I like the burn. Didn't like the floral flavor, but it was earthy and fruity. And then towards the end, it was floral. But I will see you all back here later. Till next time, this has been Peppers and Kentucky Living. I'm Jeremy. I will see you all later.